Hi. I want to introduce 11 egg puzzle. Well, this we have 11 eggs, and they look identically the same. Okay, but one of the 11 eggs is different from the others by weight. That means that one egg is not the same weight as the others. Now you have a one balance. You can use it only 3 times. You not only find out the abnormal egg, but also you tell the egg is a heavier or lighter. Okay, that's the puzzle. You have 11 eggs. They all look the same, but one of them is different in weight. You have a one balance. You can use only 3 times, and you are going to find out that different egg. But also you tell the egg is lighter or heavier. That's the puzzle. Now it's not easy. You may try yourself. Now, okay, I suggest that you number 11 eggs from 1 to 11, right? Number them. Then you can play with them and you maneuver and you analyze according to the numbers. All right. If you want to try, you may stop the video now and come back, see my solutions. Well, welcome back. Okay, that's 11 egg puzzle. You have 11 eggs. They all look identically the same, but one of them is different from the others by weight. Now you have a one balance. You can use only 3 times. You not only find out that particular egg, but you also tell that egg is a lighter or heavier. Okay, this is my solution. I put it in a tablet. Okay, the first weight, then second weight, then third weight. Here's the result. Now the first weight, I put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8 on the other side. And I leave 9, 10, and 11 aside. Okay, you put 1, 2, 3, 4 at one side of a balance, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the other side, and I leave 9, 10, 11 aside. Now you have 3 possibilities, right? It's balanced. It's balanced. Then this is possible, right? This is the balance shows this way, or balance shows that way. Okay, let's analyze one by one. If this is the balance shows, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, they're all normal eggs. They're all alike. Only 9, 10, 11, these 3 eggs, one of them could be abnormal, right? Then I'm using the balance second time. I put 9 one side and 10 one side. Just put these 2 eggs on the balance. Now they have the same three situations, right? They could be balanced. They could be this way. They could be shown this way, balanced, right? Now this is one situation. This is the other. Now, if this happens, it means that everything is normal. This is normal, right? I mean, both sides are normal. So 11 is the 11, egg 11 is the egg. So I use third balance. Then I use any egg here. Say I use 11. I use 2, and the balance was 11. Right? It shows 2 possibilities. It could be this way. This means 11 is heavy, right? 11 is heavy. If it shows this way, 11 is light. Okay, so I get result. Now, what happens if this is the case? The balance in the second time. That means 11 is normal, because everything is normal except 9, 10, 11. If this is the situation, which means that 9 could be lighter or 10 could be heavier. So I use any normal egg, say number 2, balance with 9, right? If it goes this way, that means 10 is heavy, right? If it goes this way, and 9 is lighter, right? So I find the result. If the second way shows this way, this is 9, this is 10, that means what? That means 9 could be heavy or 10 could be lighter. So I balance with 9. If it shows this way, then 10 is lighter, right? 10 is lighter. If it shows this way, 9 is heavier. Okay. So that is all possibilities when the first balance shows both sides are equal. Okay, that is a situation when the first weighing, the first balance shows this. If the first balance shows this way, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, one of them could be lighter. 5, 6, 7, 8, one of them could be heavier. 9, 10, 11 are normal. Now then, my second time the balance is the key. I put 1, 2, 5, 9 one side, and 3, 6, 10, and 11 on the other side, and I leave 4, 7, 8 aside. Okay. Now it has 3 possibilities, right? They could be balanced. They could be the balance show this way, or balance show this way, right? Now let's do one at a time. If this one happens, that means 4, 7, 8. One of them is not normal, right? But also we know that from the first weighing, obviously 4 could be lighter. 8, 7 could be heavier. Do you follow? First balance shows this way. That means this side could be lighter, this side could be heavier. But since the second way shows it's balanced, which means 4, 7, 8 is not normal. Therefore, 4 could be lighter. 7, 8 could be heavier. Now, my third weight is that 7, 8, put 7 and 8. Both sides. Okay, this one has a... All right. If this happens, I do these two. And if 7, 8 is balanced, that means 4 is not normal. 4 is lighter, right? 4 is lighter. If it goes this way, that means, because I know 7, 8 must be heavier. So in this case, 8 is heavier, right? If the balance shows this way, that means 7 is heavier. All right. So either case, I get the result. All right. Now, what happens if the second balance shows this way? Second balance shows this way. Okay. That means 4, 7, 8 are normal. And from the first weight, I know that 1, 2 could be lighter, right? 1, 2 could be lighter, or 6 could be weight. It could be heavier. So from this situation, 1 or 2 could be lighter, or 6 is heavier. Then third time I show the 1 and the 2. If they are balanced, if they are same, that means 6 is heavier, right? If this third time is this way, that means 1 is lighter, right? 1 is lighter. Because 2 cannot be heavier. Now, if it shows this way, and 2 is lighter. Okay, we get result. Now, if the second balance shows this way, and from the first balance, we get information that 1, 2, 3, 4 could be lighter. 4, 5, 6 could be 5, 6, 7, 8 could be heavier from the first balance. And from second balance, I know that 1, 2 cannot be lighter because 1, 2 must be heavier. Okay, also. So 5, if I put 5 here, 5 could be heavier because first shows 5 is heavier. So 5 could be heavier, right? And this side 3 could be lighter. So that's easy. 4 could be, no, 4 is normal, right? 4 is normal. I use the 4 to compare with the 3. If it's balanced, that means the 5 is not normal. 5 is heavier. 5 is heavier. If the balance shows this way, well, that means what? That means that 3 is lighter. That means 3 is lighter because the 4 is normal. All right, do you follow? It's tricky. Now, if this is the situation, the first balance, let me write. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This is 5, 6, 7, 8, and in the middle is 9, 10, and 11. If this is the balance shows in the first attempt, okay, then what do we do? Well, I'm using same thing as 1, 2, 5, 9, because this is actually similar. 3, 6, 10, and 11, and 4, 7, 8 aside. Okay, this is my second attempt when the first balance shows this one. then it comes three possibilities: balance this way, or this way, or this way, right? Now, if this happens, this means what? 4, 7, 8 is not normal, right? 4, 7, 8 are not normal. From the first balance, 7 or 8 could be lighter. 4 could be heavier. All right. So I'm using 7 and 8 for the third attempt. Third attempt could be this way, could be this way, or could be that way. The third attempt. Now, if this happens, that means 4 is heavier, because it's a balance, right? 4, 7, 8 are not normal. From the first attempt, 4 is heavier. So if 7, 8 are balanced, and 4 is heavier. If this happens, I know that 7, 8 must be lighter. From first attempt, 7, 8 must be lighter. And the second way shows this equal. That means 7, 8 are not normal. If this is the situation, then 7 is a lighter. If this is the situation, 8 is a lighter. Okay. All right. Now, when the second balance shows this way, first the balance shows this way. I know that 5 is coming from the light side, right? And the light again. So 5 could be lighter. 5 could be lighter. And 3 coming from the heavy side. So 3 could be heavier, right? Repeat again. If this shows that 3 is heavier or 5 is lighter, then I know that 7 is normal, right? So I compare with 7 with 3. If they are equal, then I know that 4 is heavier. If it shows this way, I know that 7 is lighter. Right? That's it. Because there are no other possibilities. Now, the last situation, if the second way shows this way, second balance is this way, first balance is that way. That means I know that 1 or 2 could be heavier, or 6 is lighter. 1 or 2 heavier. So I kept 1 or 2. And this could be this way, or this way, or that way, right? If 1 or 2 balance, that means 6 is lighter. If this happens, 2 is lighter, right? Because I know 1, 2 must be lighter. It cannot be heavier. If this is the situation, 1 is lighter. So that shows all possibilities and with the all possible results. Well, this is I think is very interesting puzzle. Let me go slowly so you can stop anywhere you want to check with. All right. And the solution may not necessarily be unique. There are possible there is other solutions, and you may share with us your solutions by putting your solution into the comment. Thank you very much for your watching.